A little bit of drone work in early this morning. A little bit of drone footage. Getting ready for graduation at my school, at my work. All right. Here we go. Hey, this is Dad Random, and I'm doing a little shoot this morning. It says, stop. Don't fly here without permission. And I got tons of pull around here, so I'm gonna do a little flying this morning. A little bit of a commercial job. I guess it's more of a job, volunteer job. My boss asked me to do a shot for our field. We have a graduation coming up, so what he wants me to do is help him out. Because of COVID, we have restrictions, and we want to have a plan in place so we can bring people in to the field here safely, and we have to have an evacuation plan, all those things, because we're going to have, I don't know, about 1,600 people here for graduation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of still shots. I'm going to do a little bit of video work. Go ahead and set the camera down right there. Get this thing pointed up here. Trying to think of the best here. I should probably turn around this way so it's not going into the sun too much right there. All right, I think we're good there. All we want to do today is get some above top-down shots here. We're the only restricted areas. Well, technically a school is a restricted area, but you have permission. It's okay. So I've sought permission, and I've been granted permission. We're good to go. What we're going to use for our mission today, a little bit of a mission. We're going to bring out old Trustworthy, because I know if I've got the Mini out, we're in great shape. It is very sunny this morning, and I'm going to go ahead and get Mini out. The one thing I've done for the Mini is I just keep these, I keep the Lithium batteries in here because it's really hot, and I don't want to stress out batteries in my car. So there's been a lot of people talking about batteries for the Mavic Mini, and I don't believe the hype. My batteries have been fine. They've discharged fine. So, but these are the Lithium batteries. Make sure we have our card in there so we can get our photos. All right. So here we go. A little bit of a commercial shot. It's kind of nice to be able to have a Friday and be able to fly my drone on a Friday. What's nice is this thing really stores well. And like I said, that's the advantage of having the lithium ion batteries. And I just charged this pack up not too long ago, so we're in great shape that way. The thing I like about the Mini is it's so simple. It's so easy to basically do things like this with. Now, I haven't updated the software in a while, so hopefully I don't have any problems that way. All right. Hey, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Taking pictures of the field, yeah. Mies wants some pictures for evacuation for putting together. You feel like a wedding planner?
Yeah. Big wedding planner.
What have they been doing? I noticed that they fixed some bleachers.
So they have graduation here.
Yeah.
So they've been fixed bleachers.
Painted the wall. I see they painted the wall nice.
All this.
Yeah.
Did this.
Oh,
They
yeah.
painted the
Yeah, I saw them
scoreboard.
painting this, yeah.
And
Oh, the scoreboard looks great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I work here. I'm Chris Goebel.
That's right. Because I see everybody every once in a while.
I look all fancy.
Yeah, they look all legit.
Legit.
So
I am legit, actually. I got my Part 107 commercial flying license for flying drones now.
hold on, this is Tony.
But all right.
Hello. So can you take a picture of the whole campus or no?
I can take it just depends on how high I can go. I've done a lot of shots of the field. I got tons of them.
Because what I need, I hate to mass district court, it takes forever.
Like what?
I'll picture the whole campus, even if it's
Yeah.
broke up in sections.
Yeah,
because
I can do
my
that.
irrigation,
Yeah,
so I know where it's just,
Yeah.
it's like, because I have a map right now, but it doesn't have that grass over there.
yeah, you bet.
And it's the new concrete.
Yeah, what I'd have to do is take a couple pictures and stitch them together.
That's fine, and it can come out of my budget. So.
Oh, no problem. I'll just give me a little bit of time.
Oh, I don't care if it's next year's.
Oh, good, good.
Yeah,
No,
no hurry. If you
not a
get-
problem.
Yeah,
No, I actually
appreciate it.
no, I come out here. We got summer coming up, so I've got a lot. I'd like to get here. I'd like to get here in the afternoon. The morning is good for filming, but
Yeah. Is this where I could say?
where there's no cars and stuff, where there's no kids out here,
Yeah.
because then I can get right over all those. Because I kind of gotta fly straight up and over everybody,
Yeah.
which is usually okay.
Saturday morning or
But yeah,
Sunday
right
morning.
when there's no cars and nobody's here.
afternoon.
Yeah, and then I can pretty much do anything I want. So
The
yeah,
one
no
I
problem.
have, it doesn't have.
That's exactly what we're doing. We're basically he wants a top-down shot so he can mark all the entrances and exits.
Yeah, which makes sense. 'Cause
Yeah.
everything's gonna be open.
But that would be easy.
Yeah.
That would be really easy.
Awesome.
Yeah,
I seriously.
I could probably do it in 6 pictures.
That's fine, and we'll just
Yeah.
put them all together.
Yeah. Just do a little bit of. I just take them, put them together, stick them in a like Photoshop, and just stitch them.
Get them as big as we need. Right?
Yeah. And then you could. I could put it in a format where you can blow it up.
Yeah.
No
That's
problem.
what I do
Well,
think.
right. So you have water shut off. You have all those different things. Heck
I
yeah.
can have a little one carry around and laminate like 3 times to really fit.
I'm surprised we don't have those anyway.
Yeah.
You know, because if you have emergency, you've got to have. Okay, this is where we're coming in here. This is another.
Yeah.
But yeah, no
That was
problem.
The main shot of it. Scotty, where's my damn mule at?
Yeah. All right, let me get this done. But
I
hey,
know.
thanks. Yeah, no problem. I'll do that for you. All right, so I even got another thing to do now. All right, so that's pretty cool. So anyway, here we go. Let's get flying. I'm gonna cut this film right here, and then we'll start back up when I get launched. I gotta get this out here. I've got an ND16 on here, so that should help us with our exposure. I'm going to lock my exposure, and I'm going to go right to the middle of the field. Let's go ahead and get some. Looks like battery's good. Let's go into normal mode. Record. Now we're recording, so we can break that up. Let's go hit my. Oh, it's bad. Here, let's get. Here, let's move this way. I locked my exposure. But I was pointed into the sun, so let's unlock that. That's terrible. Go on there. Stop video. Let's go into that. Let's go into our menu. Let's get out of the menu. Let's go into here. Let's see, camera controls. I didn't want to lock my exposure. Let's go over here. I'll sync. Good lines. Exposure warning. So we want to go this way. We want to bring the. There we go. Oh my gosh. All right. So here we go. All right, so we're back up. So we want this shot straight down. All right, so Dad Random doing a little bit of work this morning. Getting some shots. And ND16 on the Mavic Mini 2, or the Mini 2. All right, we'll give it a little bit of a wave. Hey, how you doing, Mini 2? All right, dead random. Let's go ahead and get our landing here. You can go ahead and turn that off. We got balloons out, so it can't, the wind can't be that crazy today. There we go. We are done. So we'll take that footage. I think we can piece together, even with I took a lot of video. So the one thing that you can always do is you can always save shots using video. So I can take some of that 4K, and there we go. And pull out screenshots from the 4K. So I've got a lot to choose from right now. Excellent. These are my Sunny Life filters. You know, they're not the greatest filters in the world. It's okay. So that'll be pretty interesting. Find that out. Watch all my film. It's going to be terrible. But you can't go wrong with the Mini for stuff like this. You look like you're from the district. That's funny. He's been our custodian, our head custodian, for a couple of years now. But I had sunglasses on, and he's probably had a lot of people that have come in here doing official work. So I guess it does matter to look good. So look good, you look professional. Except for the tiny little drone, huh? We've got another battery just in case. Plus, I can charge this up if I need to. Got another one for later if I needed another battery. All right, dead random. Gonna cut this film up. A little bit of fun. Look, we got some balloons going on out there. Let's check this out right there. Check these out behind me. Hopefully, maybe you can see the balloons. Can you see those back there? It's always a good morning when you got balloons. Hopefully, I didn't. Man, the sun is kind of like going sideways. All right, so check it out. Dead random. Like and subscribe. Remember, fly for fun. Sometimes you got to fly to help people out. You know, like your job. Walk by some kids here, just so it's. It's always fun getting up early. What are you guys doing? Chilling?
We just got COVID tests.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's right, because you have to get them. Yeah, I had to take pictures of the field. Mr. Meese wanted pictures of the entire field for graduation. So it gave me an excuse. See you guys, see you later. All right, dead random. Little morning vlog. This will be kind of fun. It's been a while since I did a fun video. Doesn't seem like fun videos get much attention, but all these really crappy videos get great attention. Is there any fun anymore left in this freaking world? Doesn't seem like it. All right. But in my business, fun is part of the business. And that's what makes my job the greatest job in the whole world. So some of you guys think that, you know, being like, some of you guys think that being like a vlogger is all about just like doing tutorials and stuff. I think it's about having fun, showing your personality off. And if you're not doing that, then who cares, you know? But I'm done for this morning. I had fun. Now I'm going to work. I'm gonna have some more fun. Later. Bye. Dad random. Early morning, flying the Mavic Mini and taking some pictures and hanging out a little bit at my work, getting ready for graduation. Okay, the best couple of months of the year coming up. Okay. June, July, and August. It's when I'm basically chilling and have pretty much time on my hands. So later, bye. Dad and Randy. A little morning vlog. Bye. Later.